Harry. Harry, we're making a video for Matthew. Do you want to tell him anything? Matthew, Harry says, I'm in front of the space heater because I'm really cold. I don't feel good, Matthew. I have the sniffles and I have to go back to the doctor tomorrow. Harry, do you love Matthew? Yes, I love him very much, Harry said to me. I can't wait to get on the airplane and go and be with Matthew. I know, Harry. You have to be patient, though. Harry? What? Oh, Harry says, I think I want to take a nap. Oh, my goodness. Harry, can you blow a kiss? Harry said, dogs don't know how to blow kisses, but you tell Matthew that I love him. And here's another doggy jumping on me. That's why the camera started to wiggle. Okay. All right, Matthew. We'll send you more news later. Harry's going to take a nap now. Shh.